to make charms. Some people say that charms can bring you good luck. And it is very cute. So when I tried to make a charm, I just realized that I didn't have any metal or any wood to carve it with. So I tried to make one out of paper. I found this type of hard paper that's kind of like harder than normal paper. I used that, and now my charms does not bend easily and they last longer. This particular charm I really liked. It had this rainbow finish on this very cute little star, shooting star, and I really wanted to make one just like it, so I did. It looks kind of like this. I made it a little bigger than the original charm from here because it was a little hard to cut a small charm, so I made it a little bit more bigger. I'm going to show you how to make charms out of paper. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple rainbow charm. For this activity, you would need some colored pencils, scissors, packing tape, and hard paper. We need hard paper because normal paper would be too light for this activity. And we need packing tape because packing tape is thicker than normal tape. So you're going to be needing a tiny piece of the hard paper. I'm going to be using the traditional rainbow color, but you can take any color you want. Then you have to start coloring the rainbow. You can use 6 to 7 colors. Once you have finished coloring your last layer of the color, it's time to put on the tape. You have to put tape on each side. Then cut your rainbow out. Once you're done cutting your rainbow, there you'll have your cute little rainbow charm. I hope you like it. So, like the rainbow, you can make many different types of charms. I keep all my charms in a golden book. I've made this type of heart charm, which is very cute, and It's very easy to make. You have to, like I said, you have to first take out a small piece of hard paper, color a heart, put tape on it, and then cut it out. There you have your heart. And I also cut out a very cute little clover, and I really like it. It's one of my favorites. You can make many things out of a charm. You can make ornaments or keychains or anything in your wild imaginations. If you're making an ornament, you will need a loop to put in the charm. I hope you like my video, and I hope you subscribe. Bye! Charms are... I forgot what to say. Some people say that charms bring you good luck. I forgot how to say that. What to say next? Again.